Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're not new, you know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button, give me a thumbs up on the video, and make sure you leave some comments down below. Now, you guys, I just literally am in the middle of recording and it like went blank. So we're starting over. In some aspects, I've already done a lot of the things already with you that you didn't see. So let's just review very quickly what we did. Let's go to the bank. We got a paycheck of 1647.39. I updated the paycheck here. And then this 530.81, I transferred over. You'll see behind my face here, 530.81. I went ahead and transferred that 530.81 here from Hold Your Horses to pay C53081 to pay our mortgage. I did go over and make our mortgage payment. It of course goes through the bank. It goes through the bank and therefore it had to wait. So I didn't highlight it as green, something we need to allocate for. Then I had none of these bills were due. We paid them last month. No cell phone, water, car insurance, electrical, or the gym. The internet security and the security equipment are all automatic payments. So I have to wait for them to hit the account or the credit card and then pay them back. The internet pays through the account, so that'll automatically just come out of the operating account. The security and security equipment get paid on the Quicksilver credit card, and I pay them once I see them come through. There's nothing due for trash this month. Moving on to debt. There's nothing on the credit cards that we don't reconcile together. Actually, right now I can show you really quickly. On this one credit card, there's groceries, which we'll reconcile on probably Sunday. And that's groceries from Publix. And then on the other credit card, there's beauty. There's a beauty charge for $50.76. It's Clinique from Ulta. It's my face moisturizer. I'm waiting for the beauty envelope to get its money in order to pay that off, which should be on this check. The car payment, I did already go and pay this car payment. It actually was not due. And the mortgage that I paid was the November mortgage. So that wasn't due till November 1st, but we paid it today on 10/18. And then the car payment was actually not due until November 11th, 11/11. But we paid that today too. That also comes straight through the operating account. So it did not get colored in a color. If you don't know what I mean, every time something clears the bank, I mark it in a green color to denote that it's gone. The money's gone out of the account. So let's get back to the account and let's talk about any other moves that I made without you. I made it with you. It just, it's cut off. Gangster computer. And so 40, 20, 60, 20, all of these are my variable expenses that make up my variable expenses money for November. This is the last set. This has $280 that got transferred over. Here's the $280 that got transferred over into Hold Your Horses. You may ask, why aren't you putting it in your cashless envelope area, Tara? Because there's current money in there that I'm using during October, and I don't want them to mix and accidentally use the money I'm not supposed to. So Hold Your Horses is where I leave a lot of money that is a part of a payment that's for the future. So that's 280, and that was moved over. As you can see, it was for cash envelope money for November. Then we moved down to our sinking funds, and that's where it cut off. So I moved over $33 to the emergency. Nothing is going to apparel, build a buffer, birthdays, car maintenance, or Christmas. The first thing getting money was the emergency fund. Excited about giving the emergency fund money. Last year, you guys know my long-term goal for last year was to get my emergency fund up to $3,000 and a little bit more. So anytime I can add a little extra money is great. The health and medical, and that's just my baby emergency fund for me personally, which is about a month's worth of expenses. Health and medical got $10, which is great because I need to buy some Azertec, and there's the $10. And then $44 was for the HOA. If you don't know, my HOA is 500 something dollars for the year, but they do allow me to pay ahead of time. So I pay one lump sum for the year. And in order to save for next year, I just take the 5 something and divide it by 12 for the year, and then I save that amount each month. So that's what that's for. Household gets 40, and there was the last transaction that I did with you guys before you got cut off. I'm very happy. The household now has about $70 in it, which is good because I feel like it's getting to be about that time where I need to replenish some of the bulk toiletries like the laundry detergent and things of that nature. Now, the other day I asked you guys about things that you like about my video, don't like about my video. And most of you are very positive, which really give me the tea, okay? Most of you like the beginning song. You guys like the ending. You guys like the videos. You like my content. I'm appreciative of that. If you're new here and there was anything that you didn't like, let me know down in the comments. I'm always down to listen. My girl Beijing Budget gave a very detailed expression of her thing, which I expected nothing less. And she did mention that she was unclear about what my long-term goals are because she saw me doing a few like shorter things for the holidays or first clothes and things like that. And she thought it was the HVAC thing, and it was. So Beijing, it is the HVAC. That right now is my long-term goal that I'm working on because I want to be able to put some money towards it if and when it does break. It is really old, and I want to be prepared because it is a very, very, very expensive thing to fix or get replaced in my case. So this month it's getting $150. I've been putting almost 100 or more to it every month. So let's go ahead and transfer our 150 over to the HVAC account. The HVAC account currently has $1,372 in it, and I'm very happy about that. We're making our way. If you don't, like, I know HVAC can be anywhere from like $5,000 to $9,000. So again, very long-term situation. Thankfully, I have a magic month in November, and it should be getting a lot more than 150 just to kind of bulk us up a little bit. So that's what the HVAC, and that is what my long-term goal is for this year. In case anyone else was wondering, great question, great suggestion, Beijing Budgets. If you don't know about her, check her out. She also has great videos, and she's very informative on her videos as well, and has cool little tips and tricks. So check her channel out as well. I'll make sure to link her down below. So success for $150. Going over to our HVAC long-term goal. Can I get okay. We can make that green because it did actually move out the account. KineMaster is getting nothing. It won't be there next year because I've decided to use CapCut as my editing software for now. I use the free version. Alexa, stop. Sorry, y'all. I'll use the free version. Sam's Club membership is fully funded. Amazon membership is fully funded. All of them are fully funded. Ooh, why did I do that? So I'm just going to leave those at 0. And then beauty is getting 30. Oh my God, we really needed that because we got to pay off that credit card bill. Not that anything's due. We're ahead of the game, but still. I actually wish we were putting more money in there because I really want to braid my hair and I need to get braiding hair. I braid my hair myself to cut down on money. Beauty is only skin deep, but I need to buy more braiding hair. So $30. How much was in beauty? It has $20.52. So the $30. I really want to make it $30. I'm gonna make it $30.39 because we have that extra 39 cents, and I think we need it. So beauty sinking fund. We're gonna make that $30.39. As you can see, we had 39 cents there, and we can go ahead and make that green as well. Next, we have nothing going to travel, treat yourself, YouTube boss, all the things. Other $25 is my baby girl's money that I put in. I think I can make that green because I believe that cleared. There it is. Is that it? Wait, no, that's to the capital one. Move your face, Tara. I thought it came through. There, no. There it is, $25. You gifts $29. So $25 for my niece's thing that came through, so we can actually make that green as well. Oh, almost forgot my boo Navy Federal. So we also have to transfer money to Navy Federal. And that was going to go to the very last account, Navy Federal. You guys don't know, I have a Navy Federal bank that I sent. That is my physical bank because Capital One is a online banking system. So I can use CVS and things like that to take money out and put money out at those ATM, put money in at those ATM or with the cashier. But I would like to have a physical bank. So I am with Navy Federal. and I put $1 in just to keep my account active every month. And then once in a while, I get an alert that says you have to swipe your card. So I'll buy something small on there. So Navy Federal transfer. And don't forget, and I did not forget about my girl who asked me to tell her what each of my accounts mean. I'm hoping to get that video recorded this weekend and maybe have it out next weekend. I did not forget. For all those who don't know, also, success. First of all, success. I feel like this video is all over the place. I apologize. For those who don't know, my monthly budget, all the way in the way. Monthly budget and the bi-weekly budget and also the weekly budget template is available on my coffee shop, link down below in the description. It's $5. Okay, right now it's $5. I literally get paid $4.11, I think. Shout out to all the people who already purchased from me. I love you. I see you. For the 3 people that support me, what do you want from the gas station? Okay, I'm very appreciative of that. A few people went above and beyond, like paid more than the $5. I see you. I appreciate you. A few people, like I know Bunny and Tasha, have already actually supported my shop just with my freebies, and I appreciate you too. I appreciate everyone who supports me in whichever way, whether it's watching videos or the Ko-Fi shop or coffee shop or whatever it's called. You are loved, and I am grateful for you. So that was successful. $1 transferred. Where did I move that to? Oh, okay. And that's not going to be colored because that's interbank, so that's going to take the same 2 to 3 business days. It says we have $22.32 in our buffer. We love to see it. That's actually a really good buffer amount for me. So I'm going to leave $22.32 down there. And that's what we'll keep, hoping that we don't have to spend it on anything. I feel like there's something I need to do, but I can't remember. So for now, we're going to pray that we don't have to spend it and we can put it like in our savings towards our iPad. But that's where we are right now. So it shows that we have 1621.23 left. And we should add everything that's not colored in green, and we should get 1621.23. That's how we know that we're actually at a zero-based budget, which we are, but we want to make sure that that adds up to what's in the bank. Okay, all the money in the, you ain't got no, we got lots of money in the bank. Okay, that's what we're claiming out here in Jesus' name. So let's add 1183.62 plus 80. What? Never mind. 1183.62 plus 80 plus 27.14 plus 43.20 plus scroll 233.50 plus scroll. We're gonna scroll past the green because those are already cleared our accounts. Plus a $1 plus $22.32. That is in the buffer. Leaves us with not the same amount that's there. Confusion. What? Say what now? Why? Did I add something incorrectly? Did I forget something? Huh. Please hold. Please hold. You guys know what? I did not end anything incorrectly. I forgot, or I didn't realize that this money came in. So PayPal here sent 3045. I know what the 3045 is. I just didn't realize that it hit already. So somebody wants me to review a little camera thing, like an invisible nanny camera thing, which I love because I like to keep an eye on everything in my house. A little invisible nanny cam thing for them, for Amazon. And they sent me the money to purchase it. It worked out well for me because they sent me $30.45. I ordered it yesterday or this morning, and it only cost me like $22. So I made a couple dollars on this review. But with that being said, I need to add that $30.45 in. So we're going to miscellaneous money. We got $30.45. And then I am going to actually move that to, I needed to stay there to, actually I put the charge on the credit card. So I'm going to move $30.42 over to Hold Your Horses so that when the charge clears the card, I can pay it out of Hold Your Horses, and then the balance will do something else with. No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, wait. This is my mind process. Here we are. We're in this together. So I believe that the charge is pending. Okay, so the charge, my friends, is $21.59. We have $30.45. So we have a difference of $8.86. What we're going to do then in that case, since that's money that we've made, why did I delete that? Girl, why? Why, like you knew you weren't going to remember that amount. 30.45 minus, baby. Sometimes I worry about myself. 21.59. The calculator's on the other screen. You guys can't see that. But it was 886, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the 21.59 and to hold your horses, because when that money clears the credit card, I want to be able to just pay it. This is for Amazon review credit card payment. Boom. Transfer, that's done. So success, I guess we can put that under other. Where's other? Other equals plus. In order to start any formula, you need to have an listen. Don't do that. What was the amount? $21.59. So $21.59. Okay, so that leaves us with the $8 and y'all know I can't remember 86 cents. We're going to move that over to our circle challenge because we're trying to pay off that iPad. And yeah. Actually no. Since I don't remember, that's what I'm hoping all the extra money is going to go to. However, because there's a lot that can happen this next couple, it's the week of Halloween, my parents' anniversary, some of my family going to Jamaica. I'm going to leave the extra 20. I'm going to add this to the buffer and leave it there. The goal being to not spend any of the buffer. And then we should be able to put all of it to the challenge, the paying off the iPad. But for now, let's just be on the safe side. Sometimes we try to think too much into the future of things and long term, and we forget to live our life in today and what we may need to today. So today, I'm going to leave the $30-something in the buffer. Now let's add. My goodness. Let's add the numbers again. I'm sorry this one turned out to be so long, but you guys know every time everything doesn't always work out. Sometimes you forget some things. So let's go. 1183.6. What are you typing? 1183.62 plus 80 plus 27.14 plus 43.20 plus the 233.50 plus green. Okay. Plus the dollar for Navy Federal plus $31.18 leaves us with 159,964. We've done it. We've done it, people. We have done it. All right, guys. So we made it to the end of this video. We're at a zero-based budget. What we have left in the bank matches how we allocated our money. So as they start pulling for their stuff, there should be enough money sitting, and we still have a $31 buffer, which we love to see it. Well, we've made it. If you made it to the end and you're not subscribed and you enjoyed watching the video, please consider hitting subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Talk to me down in the comments. How is your second paycheck going? And are you a magic monther? I'm not yet, but next month, come check me. Come check me. I'm excited for it. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it is faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Okay, bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.